Potential difference between 2 points is equal to work done in moving a positive charge from one point to another. So basically, one point will be having more potential than another point. Okay. Okay. And then how do you measure potential difference? Which instrument you need to know? Voltmeter. Okay. Now, how do you draw that diagram? Are you aware of it? So now this is my plus sign, this is my negative sign. Okay, and I draw. Okay. Now I'm trying, I don't know, I'm trying to draw a resistance. एक काम करूँ क्या? I'll just draw a resistance. So this, assume this is my resistance. Okay. Sorry.
मैम रेजिस्टेंस कुछ भी हो सकता है ना, बल्ब कुछ भी.
Bulb, yeah. So that's why I said resistance can be anything. So I just draw something. Okay. Now how do you connect a voltmeter?
In parallel.
Yes, voltmeter always have to be connected in parallel to the load. Okay. Okay, this is the, so if you notice the, this is my plus sign and this is my minus sign. तो यहाँ पे ये देखो, the potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit is measured by a voltmeter which is connected across those points in parallel with the circuit. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है? So always remember it is connected parallel to the circuit, not in series. Okay, so if this is my load, it will be connected parallel to measure the voltmeter. मतलब ये मेरा point हुआ A and B. Like if you see, this is my point A, okay, and this is my point B. So it will be always connected in parallel to that circuit. So positive terminal will be connected to positive terminal of the cell and negative to negative terminal of the cell. Yes, Pranav?
मैम सीरीज में कनेक्ट किया तो क्या होगा मैम वोल्टमीटर?
नहीं मेजर होगा, नहीं होगा, मतलब there will be no, like it will not show any volt potential difference, nothing else. So that is the mechanism they have followed. Okay, they have designed the circuit in such a way that, see, understand one thing, voltmeter में से current flow नहीं होता. When current has to flow, the current has to flow in a series, because one to one ऐसे एक साथ as a circuit चलना चाहिए ना. Voltmeter, you don't need to, voltmeter is not measuring current ना. तो आप क्या करोगे, दो एंड लोगे, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास दो वायर्स होंगे प्लस एंड माइनस, तो आप क्या करोगे, ऐसे दोनों को ज्वाइन करोगे, यू विल बी जस्ट ज्वाइनिंग द ए एंड बी. मतलब सोचो तुमने क्या क्या वोल्ट मीटर लिया, वोल्ट मीटर का प्लस साइन ए की तरफ लगा दोगे एंड माइनस साइन बी की तरफ लगा दोगे, लाइक अ पैरेलल थिंग यू आर गोइंग टू मेजर, because you don't need any current to pass through na, so it can be a separate entity. Voltmeter can be a separate entity, lekin if you want to measure current, ammeter has to be there in the circuit itself. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
voltmeter is connected across the load, right?
Yes, across the node. Yeah, so across na, A and B is like across. Okay. Now let's understand. Okay, so what is the electric potential? Now if you're talking about electric potential, it is W upon Q, that is joule per coulomb, and the SI unit is volt. It is in the honor of scientist Volta, so that's why it is written as capital V. So what is potential at a point is said to be 1 volt. When we say 1 joule of work is done in bringing 1 coulomb charge from infinity to that point. Okay. Okay. Now let's understand potential difference. Now if you consider 2 points A and B, which we already discussed, so we consider only the flow of charge from between 2 points A and B. So it is sufficient to know the difference only between 2 points A and B. So what is the potential difference formula? हमने already पढ़ा है. Potential difference formula is work done in moving a positive charge from one point to another. It is a scalar quantity, that means direction doesn't matter. So if W joule is done in moving the charge from point A to B, therefore we call it as VA minus VB is equal to W upon Q. And we already discussed about voltmeter, which is connected in parallel with the circuit. What is the unit of potential difference? Same thing, same like electric potential.
Volt.
Volt, yes, 1 joule per coulomb. Now what is concept of resistance? Okay, इसमें से थोड़ा part करेंगे and we'll stop. When a current flows through a conductor, the wire is offering some obstruction to the flow of current. Like for example, like current is trying, matlab electron is flowing. Okay, so you take, okay, there is a conductor and imagine these are stationary ions, okay, which are not moving, like cations, move nahi kar rahe, like positive charge, not moving. Now electrons, I'm trying to, these are electrons, okay. Now electrons are going to face some obstacle. If you can see, there are some positive charge which are there in between, okay. So if it is trying to flow and if it is meeting some obstruction, that obstruction is called resistance. So if you notice, wood, paper, okay, wood, especially plastic or anything, they have lot of obstacle, okay. So there is less number of electron and more number of stationary ions, okay. What will happen? It will face more resistance. So you will be saying कि wood में current flow नहीं होता. So if you say if anything is high resistance, मतलब current flow नहीं होता, and if it is less resistance, मतलब current बहुत अच्छे से flow होता है. Can you give me any example? Which conductor current flows very easily?
Copper.
Copper.
Yes, aluminium. Okay. So what is the cause of resistance? A metal has a large number of electrons and also an equal number of positive ions. I already मैंने draw किया है. The positive ions, they do not move, while electrons are almost moving, freely moving inside the metal. Okay. These electrons are called free electrons. They move at random, colliding among themselves with the positive ions. Okay. So when you are not applying any potential difference, मतलब एक जगह पे आपने 10 volt और 0 volt नहीं लगाया, what will happen? The electrons will be flowing randomly and it will be like, you know, like colliding with the positive ions. Now, if you are connecting the end, देखो यहाँ पे connect किया है, when the end of the metal wire are connected to the cell, if you notice, आपने arrow देखा क्या? Arrow कहाँ से flow हो रहा है? So actually flow of electron is from negative to plus. तो ये देखो ना, arrow इस तरफ है. Okay. But हमने by convention हम current क्या बोलते हैं? From plus to minus. So when the end of the wire are connected to the cell, okay, when the potential difference is applied across the metal wire, the electrons inside it start moving from the end at negative potential toward the end at positive. देखो ना, negative से positive की तरफ जा रहा है. Okay. But during the movement, they collide with the fixed positive ions and lose some of their kinetic energy, due to which speed decreases. After the collision, again they are accelerated towards the positive potential due to the existing potential difference. So their speed again increases. And then again in collision with the positive ions, their speed decreases. This process continues. As a result, the electrons, they do not move in bulk, okay, with a continuously increasing speed, but there is a drift of electron towards the positive terminal. Okay, आपको, because the electrons are flowing but not in bulk, because आपका collision हो रहा है, जो भी हो रहा है, so it is increasing the speed, but metal is also offering some resistance. So then what is resistance? Resistance depends on number of collisions suffered by the electron. So we are, तो अभी आपको मैंने बोला कि resistance is 100 ohms. Okay, so SI unit of resistance is ohms. Okay, it is given on the name of Ohm's law. Okay, so it is majorly dependent on number of collision by the electron with the positive ion. समझा आपको ये? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So